Hi everyone, my name's Scott. I'm from Keystones Property. Just putting a quick video out there just on the importance of floor plans. I've recently moved house, I've recently bought a house, and one of my biggest bugbear in this industry is when an agent has a lack of a floor plan, does not have a floor plan. It's one of the most important things. Obviously, when you're looking online and you're looking at photos and things like that, you want to have an idea of where everything is. And obviously, the only thing to know from that is via a floor plan. As an owner of an estate agent, it's not that expensive to pay for floor plan software and actually train a member of staff on how to do floor plans. So it really upsets me when there is no floor plans. So one thing I'm going to say, it's such a simple thing, but us at Keystones Property, we guarantee you a floor plan free of charge with every single property listing. So put your property on with Keystones Property and we'll guarantee you a floor plan. Thank you.